Okay, so I got this box from Awesome Auto Custom Carpets Incorporated. There's a whole box of Trooper custom fit carpet. I grabbed a small piece. This is for one of the rear wheel wells. You kind of have to cut it out. It's pretty marked, but it'll be like a cut to fit kind of thing. The rest of the stuff looks like it's already cut and serged around the edges. So here it is. Now you can see, we had a few swatches that got mailed in, and we looked at them, and this is lighter than the original. Matches this pretty good. It matches the seats really well. I think when you open up the door, you look in, having this carpet here on the floor and around the back and the rest of the trim, I think it's going to look nice. I mean, to be honest with you, well, it's like maybe Isuzu had kind of like a two-tone thing going on, because they've got like this bluish gray and then the like brownish gray or whatever, but the lighter carpet, I mean, honestly matches the interior better than this did. But I guess if you were going for a contrast, or anyway, like I said, it looks good. The texture and pile is similar to the original stuff. This is kind of almost got like a, especially once it gets worn a bit, you start to see the kind of blocky in it, the grain or whatever. And maybe in time this will wear, but I mean this is plusher, and I don't mean thicker or whatever. I just mean like probably denser. I think probably this is a denser carpet than the original. The original is pretty thin and probably durable and applicable to an off-road or a dual purpose kind of vehicle like this. This stuff just seems just a little thicker, a little stouter, probably. I don't know. It's good carpet. It'll look good. If you look at the difference in here, I mean, actually, there's quite a stark difference between the factory carpet here and the factory carpet here, even. Maybe it's sun bleached or whatever, but it's not a whole lot different from the way the carpet actually looks now. Like if you compare this to what's here, this is newer, but it matches the interior really well. Put it that way. Matches the seats really nicely.